how to view course details. There's several ways to do so. Once you're logged into the CMP system or client member portal, you're going to want to go ahead and navigate to the dashboard here. Now there's two areas that you can view course details for: pre-event or scheduled courses, or post-event, which is completed courses. The first part is viewing course details for scheduled courses. Let's go and do so by clicking on the arrow within the scheduled courses button here. That's going to put you in the scheduled courses tab here. Click on the course ID. And from here, you're going to be able to see all the course details. This is pretty much a simulation of the class roster with all the details and all that pertinent information: the client name, client location or training location, instructor name, on-site contact, how many contact hours each employee is receiving, the applicable OSHA reference, all that good stuff, training date and training topic, and the start and end time. And also who is pre-registered for the event or course. And you'll see here that we have all these employees registered for the upcoming class. Okay? Any applicable notes would be here as well. Conversely speaking, we're going to go ahead and view the course details for post-event. The course has been completed. You're going to get an email from our system notifying you that the course has been completed. You're going to click on completed courses. Again, click on the course ID number. Or if you wanted to simply download the class roster from the at a glance menu or the column, you can do so by clicking on this icon here. It's going to go ahead and populate the roster with all the real-time signatures and the employee photos and their ID number and name. This is going to be automatically downloaded to your local hard drive as a PDF, so look out for that. Now you're going to go back, and if you wanted to click on the print certificate button here, the seal, you can automatically download all of these certificates for each passing student in one batch form. In this case, we have 3 passing students. You can go ahead and do that there. So these are just a quick at-a-glance shortcut buttons you can see here on your column here. But let's go ahead and click on the course ID button here. And you're going to find the familiar course details. A little difference here is that you're going to have the signature of the instructor by this point. You can also have the signatures of each student that attended the class and who's passed, who's failed. In this case, we have A+ students. All of them have passed the CPR class. And you're also going to be seeing any relative forms that complement the training: evaluation forms, the roster that was signed, and the student training evaluation forms as well. So you'll find these documents that are applicable for this course that we're looking into. And there you have it.